In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through how to find the official Binance website using Google, open the Markets page, and use the News section to see the latest listings. This is a simple navigation guide to help you get oriented quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Binance and review the results carefully. You're looking for the official domain, which should read www.binance.com. Take a second to verify the URL, check for the padlock icon in the address bar, and avoid any links that look like ads with unfamiliar subdomains or misspellings. Phishing sites can mimic the look of the real thing, so that quick check is worth it. When you're confident you've found the official result, click through to open the Binance homepage. If the site detects your region or language and adjusts automatically, that's normal. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look toward the top navigation bar for the Markets option. On some screens, especially on mobile, you may need to open the main menu first to reveal it. Click Markets to move into the overview, where market data is organized and easy to browse. You don't need to sign in just to look around. This section is designed for quick discovery. On the Markets page, you'll see lists of assets and trading pairs with columns like price, 24-hour change, and volume. The layout may include categories such as spot or futures, but the overview makes it straightforward to scan what's moving. With the Markets page open, locate the tab or filter labeled New. This is where Binance highlights the latest additions to the platform. Click New, and the table will refresh to display newly listed coins or trading pairs. Take a moment to read the table. You'll typically see the asset name or ticker, the current price, the percentage change over the past 24 hours, and the trading volume that indicates how active it is. You can usually sort by clicking a column header to bring the most relevant items to the top. Keep in mind that prices update frequently and can move quickly, so what you see may change from minute to minute. And that's all there is to it. You searched for Binance on Google, entered the official site, opened the Markets page, and filtered to New to view the latest listings. For safe browsing, always double-check the URL before clicking, and consider bookmarking the official homepage for next time. Explore at your own pace, and remember, this walkthrough is for navigation only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.